thank you from the bottom of my heart, from the staff's heart. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. Thank you.
I'm like, started to pull it and then it grew wings and just took care of itself.
Seriously?
Yeah.
You know what? I always wonder, what do superheroes do when they approach a clogged toilet? Let's find out.
Superheroes. One man stands up whenever trouble plops in. That man is Toilet Repair Man.
Well, it looks like this toilet is in the dumps. I'll use my super speed to fix it.
You know, I guess I'll use my super invisible X-ray vision to see if I can figure out this fog is. Hold on. Can't see it. Go get it, guys. Get in there. Yeah, so it's got to use my super strength. Reach in there.
How can Toilet Repair Man help without revealing his true identity?
Look, over there. Is it a businessman? No! It's Toilet Repair Man!
What?
No. He's not doing this right now. Are you serious?
When your bathroom's in a bog, Toilet Repairman is there to fix that clog.